Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, please do join the family and click that subscribe and like button. And if you are returning subby, shout out to you for being a day one and forever supporting my channel. Thank you, I really appreciate you. Okay, so today's video is another face for every lipstick challenge. I don't know if to call it a challenge or a video. Ooh, a video. But what happens is I'm going to choose a lipstick randomly from my lipstick bag and try and create a makeup look that can go well with that lipstick. So I'm going to jump straight into it and go ahead and look for a lipstick for today's look. Ooh. Okay, so got out with CONNIE Transform Hampton. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I really hope this thing is focusing because these days in general won't act that shaky, you know. But yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and start beating my face for the gods and hopefully it comes out well. So cross fingers. I really do hope you enjoy this video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, please. And let's get friendly, okay? Let's get friendly. Follow me on Instagram, I'll follow you back. Okay, let's grow this community thing. Let's just do this thing and grow it, you see? So that's, yeah, man. You understand what I'm saying? Let's just grow this thing, yeah? So I'm gonna go in with my primer. My face is already washed, cleansed, moisturized with argan oil from Fair and White and some sunscreen to make sure it's the girls are fly. Honestly, this primer, if you're nasty, you know what I'm thinking. But if you're not, this primer is amazing. That's done. One thing, what I do want to try is I want to go in with my Elegale. Ooh, Elegale, yes, on a girl. With my LA girl glow stick, you know. It's these shimmer sticks. I'm gonna go in with this and kind of illuminate my skin a bit more. I'm gonna use a very generous amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this baby in. Like I said, I do want a very matte look today, but I don't want it, how do I put it? I want it matte, but I don't want to look dry, you know? Does that make sense? I want it matte, but I don't want to look dry. So I want that luminance, that that glow to shine through or look like it's shining through. So I'm going to go ahead with my Urban Decay All Nighter and in the shade 8.75, and then I'm going to mix it with number 7. Right, gonna do this. I'm gonna go in with a clean foundation brush and yeah, blend this baby in like this before it actually dries down. Take your time to blend if you want your makeup to really look nice. Like, take your time blending. The secret is really in blending. If you're gonna fast forward everything, honey, I got news for you. I got news for you. That's how you become a meme, like this. And I know I didn't forget my blender. And I know you probably look at my foundation. Oh, honey, that don't look very that well. I know, boo, I know. So I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender to make sure that the foundation is smashed. Do you understand? I'm gonna go in with this baby and just make sure. And bear in mind that the Urban Decay foundation does oxidize, so it will change color just a little bit. Just a little bitty tiny bit, not too much. Alright. I'm just gonna blend this in. I think it looks very nice. Don't you think I look nice? I look very nice, don't you think so? well blended. Some say blended, blended, honey. Ba. Okay, is it still focusing? I really hope it's still focusing. So now I'm gonna jump straight into my brows. This is where I get to create the look for Hampton. So I'm gonna go into my Got2b glue gel. Yes, it is for hair, but I love using this for my eyebrows to keep them in place the whole day. Not too much product, because yeah, you will cause a mess if you use too much product. You don't want to use too much product when it comes to this. And then I'm gonna go in with an angled brush. I'm using the one from CONNIE Transform. It's a angled brush on the side, and it has a spoolie on the other side, which is really fantastic for convenience. And I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay brow box. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my concealer and show you how I'm gonna do my brow. I'm gonna do one eye on camera and then I'll do the other eye off camera. But for now, let's stay tuned to what's happening here. So I'm gonna blend this out, right? Like this. Just blend it out, whatever product, excess product there is, I'm just gonna rub off on my hand. And then remember the brush I was using to contour. I'm gonna go in with this baby. Whatever product is left there, that's what I'm gonna use. I'm not adding any extra products or anything like that. And that's exactly why I used a different brush to apply the powder contour. Right, so I'm gonna go in and blend this baby out and just make it seamless. I'm gonna go in with a nice chocolate brown. It's a very deep brown. Has a warm undertone, and I'm just gonna place this on my concealer. As you've seen, I haven't set my concealer, so I'm setting my concealer with my eyeshadow, and I'm just placing this on my outer corner like this. Your eyeshadow should always look neat, always, right? And I don't want my eyeshadow too far up my brow. Also, a tip from me to you. I love using both my standard mirror, cosmetics mirror, the big one, and I keep it at a distance. And then I use this little baby over here to make sure that I have a close zoom in, if that makes sense. To make sure that I'm paying attention to detail. I can see can see very closely what I'm doing, and I can also see the bigger picture at the same time. Because if you're gonna stick to the big mirror all at once, you won't really be able to see if you've made a mistake in terms of your blending and whatnot. But if you have this baby and that baby, then you got babies everywhere, and that's amazing. And then I'm gonna go in with a different brush. Hopefully a very small one. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with a different brush, a very small one, and I'm gonna go into this nice neutral shadow and just kind of blend this out, but also setting my brow bone, if you can see that. Also setting my brow bone like this and cleaning up at the same time. Now time for my concealer. So this is what it looks like, and yes, I did not cut the crease perfectly, and I did that intentionally. Alright, and then I'm just gonna blend this out. So when blending out my concealer, instead of blending, especially in between the concealer and the shadow that I've already placed there, I don't blend outwards, I blend inwards, so that I push the product into my inner corner and not outwards, because then that's going to disturb all the shadow that I've placed here. So I'm just going to do it like this, right? And I'm just going to smooth out this edge with my brush, because I'm not trying to have a perfect cut crease. And then I'm going to blend this out, right? I'm just going to put this in the outer corner like this. I'm not bringing it in too much. Another flat brush, and I'm going to go into this champagne color. I really don't know how to describe this color, but it looks very champagne. And just kind of brush that up. And then I'm going to go back in with my dark brown and just Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my I don't know what this is called, Casual pencil from Essence. It's a black pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and align my eye with this baby. Okay, and then this is how my eye looks, right? This is how it looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara to prep my lashes for my strip lashes. Yeah, so I will be back once I'm done doing the other eye, and then I'll be back to apply my blush, highlighter and lipstick. See you in a jiff. Like that, and then I'm gonna go in with Hampton, our lipstick for today. And I like how, I'm not sure if you can see the applicator, how it looks. It's nice and angled, which is perfect for my lips. Hampton. So this is our lipstick for today, and this is the face of the day. So this is my final look. And to put this CONNIE Transform waterproof lipstick to the test, as far as I'm concerned, they have changed the packaging. It looks much prettier than this, but my lippies are not part of the new changed, if that makes sense. Same product, just different packaging, which is really amazing. To put it to the test to see what's available. Is it waterproof? We're going to test it with our Savovo. As you can see, my Savovo is nice and clean. My bottle is clean. There's no lipstick on it or whatsoever. I'm just going to go ahead and take a sip and see if it does stain it. Dilili, 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 dilili. It's amazing, guys. No cap. 3060 on this mother dude. No cap. This lipstick is really amazing. I think it's amazing. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and today's face. Listen. Face for every lippy, and today we have Hampton in the house, and I think Hampton is looking really gorgeous. This can be, I don't know, afternoon glam, could be evening glam, whatever you want to make it, but honestly I really like this lip color. I don't know why I've never really been brave enough to wear it, but I absolutely adore this lipstick. It looks really amazing. If you did enjoy this video, please do subscribe. Hit that like button and don't forget to hit the notification bell up there so that you get a notification every single time I upload a video. Please do share the love and share this content with your friends and family, and don't forget, let's get friendly on Instagram and Twitter. I will leave my link down below. Do click follow and let's be friendly. From me to you, see you next time. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, evening, whatever it is when you're watching this video. Much love.